We have the final of the St Christopher's auction that I won for £40 odd. This is the last one, this is the 8th, this is the Enterprise D from Playmates. Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, this is the, like I said, this St Christopher's auction that I won. This is the final one. This is, I don't know if it's a worst or if it's so-so. There's a rattle in there. Thing is getting these to pieces. I've done videos on these before, and I have got a gold one which I made, a retrobrighted one, and I LED'd one by drilling out a ton of the actual, well, the windows on there. So I know how to get in, and I know how to faff around a bit, but this just is a clean-up and a let's see if this works. Now, we've been lucky with all the battery compartments so far. There's been none. That cannot last. They cannot have all of these to be bad. Now, well, sorry, they can't have all of these to be unleaked batteries. There's paint all over this again, so it's got to be the same actual donator to St Christopher's. Let's have a look, see if I can get some of this paint off of here. I'm going to clean up first. Don't know that we've done with all the models so far. I'm going to clean up and we're going to do testing afterwards. These got some interesting panel lines on this. And that won't come out with a little bit of a plastic scraper on there. Trust me, it is but it's not. I have some problems with that, I think. And also that massive blob there. Is there anything else in there? Actually, I do need to go into here because there's only one there. I think, if I remember rightly, there's a screw there, and that needs to, probably the board on this has come off. So removing will be, I think I need to take that out, these two out. There's a couple of screws holding the neck section to the underside of here. This part here is glued in fully, so that will not come off. However, removing that will be a problem to get into the neck. I might have to pray that it will work. There's some stickers on here which are missing. That's there, and why is that there? That's, yes, there and there. There's one missing there, but I don't like these at all, these stickers. They're meant to be thrusters, but I hate them. Really hate them. But I want to take them off anyway to open the saucer up to see if I can get that bit done. So, start off, let's get the cleaning mat, which is over here. Let's see if we can just start off. Actually, these nacelles come off on here, which is, well, yeah, I do need to take these off anyway. Oh my goodness, these are tricky to get out. On one of them. There we go, two's out. So at least I can see this back section with the emulsion paint on there. I'll start with one side, straight down the middle, and get my electric toothbrush. Cool, cool, cool. Easily coming off. It just makes everything muddy. I'll wipe that up. Follow the lines round. Clean up the best I can. Straight down the middle, like I say. The speaker's all underneath here. That's nicely coming up. Need to mop that away. I'm not sure if I doubt this is chemicals. It's almost like soapy water, but a little bit more thicker. So that's coming up really well. Without stripping any paint, without stripping any of the stickers. Nice. Excuse me, it's definitely not that. I've got a cough. I need a drink. Cool. Let's get a tissue, wipe this off. Oh God, look at that. That is so better. So much more better. It's better. Anything that I get on there and it actually does stick, I get the air blower and just try and it comes out that way. Cool. So once all this crap and gunk's out and done, the underside, it's a bit more awkward. See, these were never, if this is the first generation, of this, which is 92, which it is, then these were never actually brought out with a stand. The one with the battle damage does have a stand, however, I prefer having that one just as a battle damage one. But it did fit exactly where that is. So you just took that off and then bolted it to a stand, which is a bit of a cheat, but why not? They were doing that anyway. So, let me clean this side, rest of the section, and we'll have a look at getting inside this to see if the... Well, we'll clean up first. So with a bit of effort, a bit of cleaning, a bit of faffing around, done. I think there's a bit of paint underneath where the Enterprise bit is here. I'm going to leave that because I just don't want to attempt to faff with the rest of the stickers on this. But we do need to go inside. So, let's have a check. Is this 8 for 8? There's all of them that hasn't got any... Yep. Yep. That's good. That's really good. All of these have no corrosion, so that's good news for potential selling them on. Okay, so battery and battery in, and will this automatically just boot up?
Firing phasers.
Oh, the hell was that?
Enemy photon torpedoes sailing.
What the? This isn't the one I've got. This is the UK version.
Enemies engaging warp drive.
What?
Enemy weapon systems secure.
I want to see what these other buttons work or not. No, that's solid. That's solid. That's too far in. I think...
Entering neutral zone. Warning, enemies firing phasers. Enemy vessel, shields, sailing. Impulse drive, sailing.
There's no lights either.
Enemy vessel, firing phasers.
I'm gonna see if the engines work. Why have I got the funny feeling that this is potentially not the UK version? I don't know. There's no... Oh. Hello. There's no pins on here for lighting up the nacelles. What is this?
Warning, enemy vessel engaging tractor beam. Enemy vessel engaging tractor beam.
It's like there's only just a sound in here. I am really confused now, because there's no metal parts in there to make these light up. Which version is
Photon
this?
torpedoes sailing. Warning, shield sailing.
Is this a custom board? Has somebody been faffing with this already? If they do, if they have, then that bottom bit's going to come off. This might be quite a rarity, really. Okay, so let's take everything out, all the screws out, and see what the heck we've got here. So I'm going to put these in order what they look like on there, so if I don't need to use the remote control for the telly for anything, just put them in. I know there's different sizes on these. This is interesting that the sounds are like that, because I don't think now that these three are actually buttons. I think this is a different version, but it is definitely from, where are we? Where's the tag on it? 92. Anybody out there got a clue what this might be? Please write in the description and I'll just take the screws out. Okay, screws are out, all of them. Right, here's the problem. There's one screw there, always run down here, and there's one right inside there, and I know this section here is glued in. I'm just still weirded out about it. It's not wired up. So this part here will come off, as well as all this round here and up to there. And when I did mine for the lighting, it snapped. So what I've had to do, the screw there comes out, there's one right inside here, I'm hoping there isn't another one, which I think there might be. There might be two in there, is get a bit, and I've lost that bit, put it inside the hole, and then use long nose pliers to take it out. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, so it's in there. I can't get a screwdriver in because I know that part won't come out. So I'm going to have to... might have a flexible neck for this. So maybe I can do this one. This is the problem, but this is right pain in the bed. We have a flexible part. See if I can get that out with that. The other one, which is kind of there, will not come out, not without breaking everything. It's just not going to happen. So this one should come out. Being well. It is pushing a bit too much, this. I know it's super glued. Oh, there we go. At the end, this works, I'll be impressed. It's just twisting around. Once it's snapped and comes loose, then we're cooking. I quit. Right, this is as good as it's going to be. This is almost like a dumbed down version, because I'm not even certain there's a screw there holding this plastic section in. It looks exactly the same mould, they've just put a different board in. And that is one button. They've only done one button on this. What the... I don't even get what this is. Because this is not the same one as what I've already done the mods on. Any of the others I've seen. So let's put this back together. Hopefully. Right, done. So, button.
Firing phasers.
Thing is, on the board, I've got another part here that I can join across, but it's not actually wired up.
Warning, enemy vessel engaging tractor beam.
So that doesn't actually connect because there's no wire on there anyway. This is the oddest...
Enemy vessel, weapon systems failing.
This is the oddest one I've ever seen. Right, so the speaker comes out on this side. It's stuff out of the board. Nope, they're the same.
Impulse drive failing.
So that's the button.
Warning.
This is almost like they put the Generations theme in it. No, I don't want that.
Vessel firing photon torpedoes.
I'm seeing whether or not other parts of the chip, I don't like that, will actually work with itself. Probably better with tweezers, to be honest. It'll work a lot better. Yeah.
All decks red alert.
Excuse me?
Enemy weapon systems failing.
That's speed. If I press down, it speeds it up.
Enemy vessel entering neutral zone. Enemy alert.
Right. Until I blow it up, let's keep going. No. But yeah, it's definitely a different soundboard with it. Definitely different. Don't like that one. Don't do that one. See, these might be the American version. Because the English one definitely hasn't got this lot on it. It's not got one button to start with, I tell you now, it's got loads. It's got all four. So they dumbed this down for later releases. Cheek of it, the absolute cheek of it. That's just one bit that covers everything. Oh well. Okay, fine, no problem. I don't know whether to save this now. And because I'm considering a lot of options what to do with all these models. Whether or not to put them back on eBay and make some money. give the money back to the charity, well, St Christopher's or another charity up here in Yorkshire. I don't know. So far, I'm scuppered. There's a sound chip there, and it's just doing this.
Enemy vessel, shield, sailing.
It is weird.
Vessel, firing phasers.
I know this.
Entering neutral zone.
This is definitely not the right sounds for it, because that isn't right. Okay. Like I say, anybody got a clue? Description down below. Please tell me what the hell this is. And I will carry on putting this back together, and hopefully it works. Okay, a really long time later, we almost forgot to put that in. The sticker's hanging off. That goes on, that's screwed in. It's an absolute nightmare, but everything's in, everything's done. I don't think I've forgotten anything. And the amount of screws that go in through there without taking this bottom panel off, there's 3. And there's one you can access there, but there's another, I mean, it's ridiculous. Just to hold it, make it pretty much secure. But
Enemy alert.
I've got the funniest feeling that this is the one that they probably re-released before the end of the next generation, but this is 92, or they released it for Generations as the ship, but not the battle, or they released this one and the battle damaged. I don't know. I mean, Generations were 94, with this one being 92. The series started in 87. Yeah, just seems strange that it's
Engaging warp drive. Weapon secure.
it's so dumbed down. Like there's nothing on here. So I don't know why they did this. It's almost like, yeah, we've got the molds, we haven't got anything else. I don't know, unless they couldn't get the licensing at this time for Patrick Stewart's voice. I thought he was on there. But
Firing phasers.
I mean, if we get the mold without actually, if you want one button, fine. And just having the other 3 just block them up instead of just filling in on the actual die itself is a bit of a cheap move. So anyway, that's done with. It is literally they're all work from the St Christopher's auctions. I've got to thank St Christopher's for selling. They don't know who I am. They have no idea, and yeah, apart from the Deep Space Nine one, it's only messaging I've gone to and from them. But it's nice that I can restore all of these again. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I don't know if I'm going to donate them again or sell them and donate. Or just put them on the shelf. I don't know. But these are a load more better, cleaner. Except for stuff like that, I can't do anything with that just yet. It's not enough to retrobrite, it's not enough to faff with, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So, another Enterprise D working, although
Engaging warp drive.
it doesn't. Okay, but another Enterprise D is back working and and fine. Right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this series. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow me on social media if you want to. Just give me a chat, give me a message or whatever. Consider being a patron. Consider all these wonderful things, all the links in the description below. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.